Memorial Day weekend. We worked hard on Friday, got a lot of chores done, and now we are walking the beach. It's kind of cold and definitely windy, but isn't that gorgeous? I certainly think so. Feel what I'm feeling, the sand between my toes, the ocean waves lapping.
Alright guys, here we are back down at the tool shed. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that chicken tractor and get it ready to move out here to get the tarp on it. All right, well, It's in position. Now all we got to do is put a tarp on it. Move some food and water in there and we'll be ready to put meat birds. All right, we got the tarp kind of basically draped over the chicken tractor here. I'm gonna go ahead and start securing it with zip ties. This side is secure. We'll go ahead and move to the front. Basically got it on. I'm just gonna throw a few staples up on the top there along the ridge because there's no chicken wire for a tarp to be zip tied to. So I'm gonna staple it up there so that we get it secure, and then I'll finish going down this last little bit here on this side and make it tight, and then we're ready for chicks. We have no power. We need compressor power. All right, well, let's try this again now that we've filled up the compressor with some air. All right, well, that should make it at least hook proof. Hook likes to climb up there when we come out and feed the chickens, and he likes to just sit on top of there. So we've got to make it strong enough so he can climb up there, and it'll support his weight. But that part's done. Alright, we are ready to move the meat birds in there. It's a new home. we'll get them set up. We'll get them in there and we'll get some water set up, and then they're out on pasture. Okay guys, first of the chickens. It's your new home, guys. All right, we'll go get another batch. Alright, chickies, there's your new home. They're all just kind of figuring it out. We got their food right there. I'll bring in another food trough because they're going to be eating a lot. But it's always nice when we get the first batch of birds out on pasture. The animal chores kind of pick up from that point, but it's all worth it. These guys will be huge and big in no time. So, all right, I'm gonna go fill up their water bucket that I just transported them in, and then they'll be all set up. Well, all right guys, I think that just about wraps it up for our projects today. We have our chicken tractor all ready for the meat birds here in their new house. Everybody seems to be checking it out. Everybody seems to be happy, so I think we can call that a wrap on today's projects. Thank you guys so much for following along and just kind of watching our journey as we move forward in our homesteading dream. So you guys are the best. If you guys have any questions or comments about the chicken tractor in terms of how we make them, or you know, if you want to design, or you know, you want to build your own, just hit us up in the comments and let us know, and we can get in contact you and message you back, and kind of give you an idea how easy it is to really make one of these chicken tractors. And because they're so small and we have the wheels on the back there, we can, as you saw earlier when I was moving it, it's one person can move it and pull it and maneuver it around. So these work out really great when we use them for the meat birds. 25 is about the max that we want to put in here. Just because once they get bigger, it gets a little crowded. They have less space to move around. But when they're young and little like this, they got plenty of space. So it works well for us. I've got to build one more of these. I'm sure we'll be doing a video on that as well. But I got to build another one that has nesting boxes on the back for our egg layers, because they are currently using our other meat bird tractor as a shelter for right now, because they're also out on pasture. But yeah, we'll get another one whipped out and everybody will have a home. So thanks guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.